So I have here is from Marshall, and this is the Marshall Emberton Tree. This is a special edition, Year of the Horse, Unbridled 2026. So ito yung kanyang presyo. It's a lunar, BT lunar, Bluetooth lunar siya. So we have a pretty much sealed item. Line lang natin, no? Para magamit natin. See what's inside. So, making me excited. So, isa na natin. Ganda ng packaging ako. See? Year of the Horse. Something that you might want to check. Okay, so ganda ng kanyang packaging talaga. Normally, pag Marshall, expect mo maganda. Mga user guide mo. Nandito sa loob. Saan ako nang basahin. And nandito yung mga, it's like yung mga cables. Charging cables. Nothing really fancy. Just, okay, USB-C cable. And here's the star. Si Emberton Tree. Uy. Looks chill. Ang ganda na. Oh, di ba? I like the design. Tingnan na ilalim. All of the certificates. Yeah. Seaport. Tara, pair natin. Let's see what this thing can do. So, connect lang natin. Yun. Now, kailangan mo i-pair siya sa Marshall na app. So, meron pa siyang firmware update. Mamaya ko na gagawin. No? So, you can check some preset. No? Ito yung pinaka-best na recommended niya. No? EQ preset niya. Then, you can check yung kanyang battery preservation niya. Okay? Pwede mo parang smart charging siya. Kumbaga, yung maximum charge niya para pang-prolong lang ng lifespan ng iyong battery. So, you can always turn this one on. Pwede rin hindi. Depende naman sa inyo. Now, let's try to play some music dito. Let's play one of my current favorite. So some of the basic function, up, down para sa volume, left, right para sa kanyang next song. So play naman natin, Golden, favorite song na anak ko. Ito last promise. I-try natin si Bruno Mars. Die with a Smile. If the world is ending, I'm gonna be next to you. Grabe guys ha. Sa liit nito, lakas ng sounds niya. Promise, talagang madadala ka sa sounds niya. Ang ganda na ka ng sound quality. Yung mafe-feel mo talaga yung bass niya is very pure. Depende sa yung equalizer settings, no? Pwede mo i-set siya sa default niya. And you'll definitely love yung sound coming out from Emberton 3. So if you're interested dito guys, lalagay ko na lang dyan sa Yellow Basket.